Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2015 Volvo V70. So from any screen, it's on nav at the moment. We go to, well, if you go to menu, there you go, that's just bringing up the nav at the moment. So onto telephone, no phone connected, okay to connect. Doesn't really tell you a whole lot there. And there's no other little bits in the corner to click. So what you do, no phone connected, click OK. Now search for new phone, make car discoverable, all the phones are actually connected. So I want to disconnect mine, so I'll go to Barry's iPhone, click on OK. Now it brings up this other menu, connect for phone, delete device. So just turn this switch, delete device, click OK. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone Pro? OK to delete, exit to cancel. That's exit at the bottom of the switch, two position switch, OK, and it's gone. That's it.